Over the last 90 days, I tested 10 different AI businesses. Most of them aren't worth your time. A few could genuinely change your life. And the one almost every YouTube guru tells you to build? It ranked almost dead last. No fake gurus, no overnight success, no Lamborghini thumbnails. Instead, I scored every business the way a real investor would. Here's the problem. Every AI business looks amazing in a 30-second video. So I ignored the hype and graded each one on 5 metrics. Market size, is anyone actually paying? Startup cost, how fast and cheap can you get in? Scalability, can revenue grow without you working more hours? Competition, how crowded is it, and can a beginner still win? And AI leverage, how much of the real work can AI do for you? I graded each one on the same 5 metrics a real investor would use. 1 number, 1 ranking, no hype. First up, AI freelance services. The cheapest way in, you can start today with $0, but you're trading hours for money and competing with the entire planet. A great first paycheck, a terrible long-term business. 32 out of 50. Next, rank and rent SEO. AI can build sites that rank and generate leads on autopilot. The catch? It's slow. Months before $1. Powerful, but not if you need proof fast. 30 out of 50. AI newsletters. Cheap to start, and a list is a real asset. But letting AI write it is the trap. Audiences smell generic AI instantly. You still need a human point of view. 33. Huge margins, and everyone wants to learn AI right now. But it only works after you have credibility. And AI can't teach for you. A business you graduate into, not start with. 34. AI digital products. Build once, sell forever. Near zero cost, pure margin. A $27 product can make its first sale the day you launch. Remember this one, it comes back. 35. Halfway. The scores are climbing. But watch what happens to the internet's favorite AI business. Faceless AI YouTube. This is the one every guru is selling you, and the upside is real. But that competition score? A 3. For every faceless channel that pops, 10,000 upload into a void and quit. The opportunity is real. The odds are brutal. 35. Build AI receptionists for businesses drowning in missed calls. AI does the work, clients pay monthly, and most owners don't even know this is possible yet. Now we're talking. 37. The dream. One small tool, one painful problem, charged every month. Scalability, a perfect 10. More effort up front, but nothing scales like recurring software revenue. 37. And ad creative studios. Every brand on earth needs an endless fire hose of video ads. And AI makes them for pennies. Massive, hungry market, tiny cost. This one surprised me. 38. And the highest score of all 10. AI automation agencies. You build automations for real businesses who'll gladly pay thousands. Enormous demand, low cost, and AI runs the machine. The closest thing to a cheat code in 2026. 39. Every score, one board. Watch them sort themselves. From the ones I'd tell you to skip, to the 5 I'm betting on. And there it is. The faceless YouTube business the whole internet obsesses over? It didn't even crack the top 5. Not because it can't work, but because the odds are stacked against you before you begin. Digital products and faceless YouTube tied at 35. I broke the tie with the one thing that matters most when you're starting from zero. Which one actually pays you? Talk is cheap. Very few are willing to prove it. This isn't another AI channel. This is the lab. If you want to build alongside me, subscribe. Because next, we're building AI business number 5.